Okay, y'all, it's hard for me to see, but today I'm recording another video. It's new, y'all. Jazz video, jazz song that y'all see me do recently. And today is the day. Found a nice little place to do it in. Excuse me, sir. I'll be here for 2 hours. Oh, thank you. You good? Yeah. And also, I'm excited to be recording today. And like I said, y'all, jazz is something that I've been introduced to. So, can't wait for you guys to see how it turned out. So I got my crew in the back. You can see we all coming in, getting ready to get set up. And it's gonna be great. Oh, hold on, let me put this stuff down. Oh, Lord.